Hi everyone, Jason here, co-founder of Swift Industries. I'm going to show you around some of the features of the Bandito bag. We've optimized the Bandito to work on the saddle or on the handlebars. We've got some exciting features to show you. On the front of the bag, we've added this daisy chain where you can clip or tie any of your gadgets. We improved the zipper on the front and added a storm flap to help prevent water from seeping through. The bag still features D-rings on the side for carrying off the bike. On the top, we replaced the old holes punched in the bag with another webbing daisy chain. This webbing features two different mounting points for whether you want to run it on the saddle or the handlebars. Here it's on the narrower setting that fits your traditional Brooks or Bertude style saddles that have the loops on the back. We also put in space for you to strap a little bit wider out for carrying on the handlebars, which makes the bag a little more stable. Then finally on the back, we added a new cover light daisy chain with multiple points to adjust to. And instead of a leather strap, we've got a cord and toggle style strap. And that's it.